Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to give cloning effect to a sprite. This is how you can see the result, right? So here you can see the cloning effect. It gives a beautiful pattern. Let's learn how to do it.
So let's begin. So first of all we need a sprite. Let's go to sprite, choose a sprite. Now let's select a sprite. Let's say ball BALL. So we will select this one. So this will be our sprite. Now let's go to events and drop this one when green flag is clicked. So first of all we want our sprite position to be in the position of the mouse. So what we have to do? So bring the forever loop, bring this one and go to motions. After going to motion, find go to. Where is go to? So this is the go to random position. Drag and drop it here, and from the drop down just select mouse position. Now what will happen, you can see continuously the position of the mouse will be in the position of the sprite. Now what we have to do, we have to get the clone of this sprite. So go to your events and search, scroll down and search for clone. When I start this one, create clone of myself mean this sprite. So drag and drop this one here. So after the sprite has gone to the position of the mouse, a clone will be created. Now after the clone is created, what we want to do with that clone? So this block will be responsible for that clone. Okay, so it is saying when I start as a clone, so what to do? So let's bring a repeat block, repeat 10 times. So after clone has been created, this repeat block will be executed. So whatever things we put in here will get executed 10 times. Let's say go to look, let's say we want to change the color. Okay, now go search for color. Okay, this one, change color by 25%. Let's drag this one and drop it here. So 10 times the color of the ball will change by 25%. Okay, it is done. Now what we want, now we, after creating the clone and giving some functionalities, then we want to destroy. Okay, go here, controls, drag and drop this delete clone and here. So what is happening here? First of all, a clone has been created. After the clone has been created, this one will run. When I start as a clone will run. Then it is saying that change the color effect by 25% 10 times and delete the clone. Okay, so now let's see what happens. Now let's see, press the green flag. Yes, now you can see the clone effect is produced and it is looking pretty nice. So this is how we can create a cloning effect. Let's modify this effect. Okay, let's do this one and let's say go here, motions. After going to motions, bring this one, change effects, change y by, oh sorry, x by 10. Now let's see what is happening. Okay, you can see the clone is going towards the right direction. So now let's give this one to -10. Now let's see what happens. So this will be the opposite of that. So this is going to the left side, so it is going 10 times to the left side. Now similarly, search for change y by for this one. Now you can see this will go upward. The clones are going upward. Okay, now let's see -10. So -10, the clone will go downwards. Okay, now let's say we want a explosive effects. So for explosive effect we want to delete this one and bring point in direction block. Bring the point in direction block here and place it under here when after I start as a clone. Now go to operators and pick random, drag and drop it here. From set this one to 0 and this one to 360. So after this one, search for move block, this one, drag and drop this one here, and now let's see what happens. You can see the explosive effect is been created. Now let's see what is happening. See, after the clone has been created, The pointing direction will pick a random position, random direction. Let's say 0 to 360, let's say 20 degree. So in 20 degree, after it has been set to 20 degree, the repeat block will be responsible for moving the your sprite. So it will move 10 times. So again this process will continue. So we are getting the random directions, and which is giving us the explosive effect. Now let's select other sprite, go to costumes, and this one click, choose. Now search for some other sprites. Beetle. Okay, now see, you can see this is also giving us the explosive effect. So this is how we can get the trial effect in Scratch. So guys, if you like this video, give a like to this video and do subscribe to our channel. So thank you.